I'm Ashley with Accomplished Quilting in the Tennessee store.
And I'm Randy.
So today we want to talk about new Innova Longarms. I have a new M20 in this store today. It's a pretty purple one. We also have M24s, which are blue, and M28s, which are red. Now, what you might not know is what comes with the machine. So all companies, they're a little bit different, and not all of the machines out there come with the same stuff. So we want to talk about what the Innova comes with when you purchase one new. So again, in front of us, we have an Innova M20, and first thing I noticed since I'm at the back of the machine is we have rear controls and a rear laser. So that's something other companies call a pantograph kit. You don't have to purchase that separate, that comes standard on the machine, and these controls have start and stop and needle position. Moving towards the front of the machine, first thing you might notice is a lot of bright white lighting. It goes down the arm so you can see your quilt surface really well, and around the needle so that you can see real close to the needle. That makes stitch in the ditch, ruler work, and free motion quilting really, really easy, bright, good to see. Makes a lot of visibility. Notice we don't have a lot of bulk around here. This light is very thin, so you have a lot of visibility behind the needle if you're stitching away from you. We also have a high performance tension assembly here. And then our screen, if I do a quick tap, our screen has a horizontal orientation, give you more space, and it saves your favorite stitch lengths, so it's easy to change from basting to quilting. Our front controls, start and stop, needle position, those are alternated. You have the ability to alternate those for different styles of quilting or for your dominant hand. And then these handles also bend all different directions so you can find the best position that's most comfortable for you to make your quilting easy. So we also have canvas leaders. They're a heavy duty canvas that is labeled. So this one's labeled as the take up, backing, and then the top roller makes loading really easy, and they're not going to stretch. They're nice heavy duty canvas leaders. And our take-up system is a 2-bar take-up system, so that's going to keep your quilt surface level no matter how much quilt builds up back here. So you'll always have a lot of quilting space. You can quilt all the way back straight to that roller bar. The machine purchase comes with the frame, so the frame isn't something that's sold separately. When you choose your package, it comes with it, and you also get to choose the length. Now, there's something else that comes with the machine. You get a starter kit. Randy, what's in the box?
It's like a Christmas present. I'm opening up all kinds of goodies here. You get a ruler plate, snaps right on to your needle plate. Use it. It comes with what's in this box is a bobbin winder, standalone bobbin winder, a cover for your new machine, thread, digital manuals for you to download and print, bunch of bobbins, tools, different tools you may need. Starter kit comes with a nice pair of scissors with a really nice tip on them, an oiler, a few other small little tools you might need. Is that a needle placer?
A needle threader.
Needle threader, that's handy. A smaller Allen wrench, and some needles. That's what's in the box.
Awesome. So there's a lot of little things that you don't necessarily think of wanting or needing when you get your machine, and Innova's thought of it and put it in this box. So that standalone bobbin winder, some machines have a bobbin winder on the machine, and then you have to run the machine to wind the bobbin, so having a standalone bobbin winder is really handy and a nice thing to have. So if you have any more questions about getting a new Innova Longarm, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.
Have a good day.